Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to run a simple test case in Katalon Studio. So go to katalon.com and here you have to register before downloading Katalon Studio. Depending on your operating system, you have to download the specific zip drive. Okay, so that zip file needs to be extracted. There are no specific installation instruction for that. Simply just extract the zip, and then you have this exe in case of Windows. In case of Mac and Linux, it will be a different executable. Okay, so you just have to run this and it will open this IDE here. Okay, so this Studio IDE is going to let you run simple test case. Okay, so first thing here, it will ask you to register with the same account credentials that you created here while downloading. So once accepted, here you can explore. So on left hand side you see test explorer, then help file, where you can choose to learn how to record, execute and view the execution log. Also you have sample projects. So currently I have selected this sample testing project and I can run the test cases that are displayed here. Okay, so let's open one test case. Just by double clicking on the test case here, I can open that. Okay, do note that this is Eclipse IDE. It may look slightly different, but it is Eclipse IDE, so you can check from some of the dialogues over there. You can verify that. Okay, now the next thing, when you double click on this test cases options, you have two test cases, TC1, TC2. So I have TC1 open right here, and list of the test process is right here. You can mouse over it and it will show you the specific comment or specific instruction for that. So at the top we have two comments, so nothing executed there. From third onwards up to the last, there are some executable steps that we are going to execute. Okay, so at the top you can see record web, record mobile. So here you can see you can either run web test cases or mobile test cases. Also you can run this for running current test case in specific browser, so Chrome, then Firefox, IE, Safari, Edge and remote browser. Also if you have installed any specific Android related framework, then you can also execute that. Okay, so in our case we are going to strictly limit ourselves to this Chrome engine. Okay, so select this dialog and then choose Chrome, and then when you click on that, your test cases will start executing one by one. And here in job progress you can see how many test cases are in background running all over. And then at the bottom log viewer, you can see what are some of the steps that are executed and where it is currently right now. And it will also open one browser instance for you to see. Okay, so it will open the browser and show you the steps that it is executing right now. So it will take you to this demo URL from Katalon, and here you see they are making the login. Okay, and then so as you can see, just like Selenium and Selenium IDE, you can do all the test cases in steps and execute them and check your log viewer for the results. Okay, it will show you how many tests are run, pass, failed and error as well. So it will also show you how much time it is taking per test step. Okay, so that way you can find out how much time it takes for executing a particular step, and you can also compare this total test time in between browsers, and you can then modify your test steps accordingly. Okay, so this was just an example of how Katalon Studio can be helpful for you to test your web-based applications. and other web framework tests. And in next few videos, we'll take a look at some of the example on our own through manual entry for our web-based tests.